Okay, in this tutorial I'll be showing you on how to create your first LED project, your first project with the CloudX microcontroller. You can actually maximize the screen, but because of the tutorial I decided to make it of this size. So this is our work environment. To create my first project, you click on new. So this is new. It has taken me to the main environment. This is a new project. Can you see this new as the name of the file? So all I need to do is, before I start any project, I'll add CloudX library. I'm using CloudX M633, so I'll click on the library, so it's automatically added. Include M633, CloudX M633. So now I want to blink an LED. So what I need to do is I'll define the pin I want to use. So I'll be using pin 1 because that is where the LED is connected to on the CloudX microcontroller. So I can use pin mode, bracket open, the pin I want to use. Then I can configure either input or output. If I'm receiving stuff into the microcontroller like buttons, sensors, is an input device. But if I'm writing out to the outside world, that is an output. So since an LED is an output, so I'll configure it as output. Then you always terminate your code with semicolon. Okay, we've done our configuration. So I'll go to loop. That configuration is done under setup. So I'll come to the loop and then I'll type pin 1. Okay, I can use pin 1 equals to I. So it has autocomplete feature. So I've on pin 1, then I'll on it. I want to delay it for a particular period of time. I'll use delay. It's always in microsecond, millisecond. So 1000 milliseconds give us 1 second. Then pin 1. So what we just did is we on pin 1 for 1 second, and then we off it again low for another 1 second. That is 1000 milliseconds. Now we are done with our code. So we've written the first blinking. So what it does is it's on for 1 second, goes up for another 1 second, then it repeats. That is why we have the loop. It keeps repeating, coming up and down forever. So what we need to do is to save our project by clicking on save. We click on save. Then in a folder you can create your own folder. So I can actually create a folder. I name it I create a new folder. I name it blink. So you open the folder, then you name the file blink, depending on what you want to name it, but it will be in C. It will be in .c format. So once we've saved it, you have blink.c at the top part. The project name changed. Now you have to select the device you are using, M633. If you don't select the device and you try compiling, your compiler will generate, it said wrong device selected. So you have to select the device you are using, then you click on compile. It's still compiling. It's still compiling. Okay, can you see build successful? It has fully built. So it has generated in the directory, it has generated our files. So in the next tutorial I will show you on how to load this file generated blink.c into your microcontroller, your CloudX microcontroller, and you will see the video working. Thank you for watching the first video. You have successfully written your first microcontroller program for CloudX. So thank you for watching.